Okay, hello Danette. Thank you again for coming. And how did this retreat help you to reach your objectives for the week?
Initially, the week was just supposed to be for to get away from work and to have some downtime and really have a chance to get a time for me to reflect on what was going on in my life and looking at my own personal health. It turned out though that it really opened my eyes to a lot of things about the way I eat and the way I really probably should be eating. It really made me think about how I needed to uh, how to eat really the right way. I felt like it was mind opening. It really, I don't know if I want to say mind opening, but probably really. I can't think of what I want to say. It really just opened my eyes to a lot of misconceptions I had about food. And I really am so happy that I came because it was very, very helpful.
Wonderful, good, good. What will you change when you get home, you think?
Oh, I'm going to change a lot of things when I get home. I've already got a grocery list for my husband so that when I get home, I have that food ready for me to start eating more vegetable and whole food, plant-based meals. I think that yes, I'm definitely going to make some changes. I have heart history or heart problems in my family. Although we found out it's not really genetic, it's about what we eat. And even though I'm fairly healthy and have not had any problems, maybe I'm not as healthy as I thought I would be. I am, and I can do better. So,
Wonderful.
very excited about that.
Great. What words of wisdom do you have for others on this journey?
For other people who are coming on this retreat, I think the thing they need to do is really be open-minded about the food that they're going to eat and have put aside all those preconceptions that you have about food and what you're going to do and how I just can't express how this has changed the way I think about it and the way I'm going to eat, the way I'm going to deal with my family and my grandchildren. My husband and I decided that we wanted to be healthy. We wanted to live, we don't have to live to be 100, but we want to be healthy if we live that long. We want to enjoy our grandkids and travel and do all those things. And I see so many other people who are not able to do that because their health is just not allowing them that. I'm still young enough that I can make those changes and have an impact on the future of my health and the way I live.
You sure are. You sure are.
So
Every day is a new day, and I'm so excited that you got so much out of this.
I did. It was worth every second of the time. I loved it. It was wonderful. And this is a wonderful place. I loved it.
Thank you. Thanks,
Okay.
Danette.